everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one studio called Pratham Fashion, and he's an exclusive manufacturer of men's and kids shirts. And this comes in a street called Sudham Nagar in Second Cross, which is in Bangalore, India. So I'm just showing you the location. I'm standing in Lal Bagh Road nearby Passport Office. Like this one, Leather Italias will be there. Right next to this there'll be a street. Just get inside this street and his outlet is going to come, and these are both exclusive wholesale and retail outlet. All his numbers are there in the video screen. You want to know the price, you want to purchase any of his products, you can just WhatsApp him. He'll get back to you with all the details. When you come little bit further, then you have to take this right, first right, and just little bit forward you go, and then Pratham Fashion is going to come, exclusive outlet of men's and kids shirts. And the complex name is not there. This comes in this complex. You can just check Pratham Fashion in first and second floor. His outlet is going to come. So you have to go inside this complex like this. You can go by lift or staircase also. This is outlet. You can just have a look. Pratham Fashion is the name. Beautiful outlet, and they are the exclusive manufacturers of men's and kids shirts. And just have a look. Amazing studio, amazing collections of shirts, exclusive wholesale and retail is also there. So if you want, just WhatsApp him. He'll get back to you with all the details. Hi Mr. Vishal, welcome to the show. Mr. Vishal, what and all you get in your studio?
We basically into shirt manufacturing.
Okay.
We have all kinds of casuals, formals, kids wear.
Okay. And your product goes in which part of India?
Almost every part of India.
Okay. And what's your brand name?
Registered brand is UNM.
Okay.
We have 4 other sub brands, that is F2H, X24,
Okay.
Prince Charmer.
And what is your starting price of men's shirt? You want to tell anything?
140.
Okay. And do you want to show any sample of your shirts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming down to our samples,
Okay.
we have pure cotton shirts.
Okay.
These are double pocket varieties. We have plenty of designs in these.
Okay.
These are stretchable lycra fabric
Okay.
with digital prints.
Okay.
We have checks in this as well, all
Okay.
branded quality, branded fabric.
In one shirt, how many colors you will get?
Not less than 20-25 colors.
Okay. And your collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
Every week.
Okay. Every week.
Every week you'll have new collections, new designs, new sizes.
Okay. And what size to what size you get in men's shirts?
Men's shirts we have M2 up to 6XL.
Okay.
These are latest denim quality shirts with double and single pocket
Okay.
with logos on that. I'll take you to our stock room here.
Okay.
This is our storage. We have a complete dispatch from here.
Okay.
Any color, any quantity at once, you can take it from us. Any size.
Okay.
Denim shirts, stretchable shirts,
Alright.
latest digital prints,
Okay.
cotton lycra shirts.
Cool. So just check the stock, the kind of stock
formal
he's having.
shirts.
What you are thinking, he's having more than that stock. So amazing place for stock, for variety
Any
of
color,
shirts.
Any color, any quantity. Just give me a call.
Huge manufacturer in Bangalore, one of the biggest manufacturers. You can just check. What type of men's shirts you want to show?
These are latest stretchable shirts.
Okay.
This is imported lycra.
Okay. And
We
so you.
have more than 100 designs in this.
Okay.
Regularly changing every day.
So you get both casual and formal shirts here.
Yes. These are mainly casuals.
Okay.
With size up to 3XL, 4XL.
Okay.
Starting from here.
So minimum you can buy 10 piece also, 20 piece also,
Yeah.
and it's wholesale, and some retail is also there. So you can just come and have a look at his outlet. You can WhatsApp him.
Cotton plain shirts we go up to 6XL in size.
Okay. Cool.
So size is not a problem.
Okay.
Range is not a problem. Colors, designs is not a problem.
Okay. Same shirt in online or other places it will be 800,000 rupees, but here you're getting for so reasonable price. So they also have kids shirts also. So in kids shirts, what size to what size you get, sir?
Kids shirts we have 26 size 26 to 36. That is standard Indian size.
Okay.
In these we have double pocket check shirt, back print plain shirts.
Okay.
All latest designer shirts
And
with
for
prints.
Okay.
We have these prints. We have more than 100 options in these prints, regularly changing.
Cool. And from how many years you into this business, sir?
We are into this business for past 10 years.
Okay. And just have a collections of kids shirts. Can you show, sir? And what do you want to tell about the fabric, sir?
Fabric, you will be proud of your choice if you take our brand.
Okay.
Guarantee you, for the price also, you wouldn't get this quality at our pricing.
Okay. Cool.
Any part of the country, we will supply this.
Okay. Before I wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having beautiful collections of men's and kids shirts, and we'll highly recommend you people also come to the outlet. I'm sure you'll love their collection, and I'll meet you on the new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.